Hello my friends, welcome to this Fire Kasina guided meditation. Today the candle flame will be the center of our attention. You may light your own candle or simply focus on the flame you see in this video. Begin by gazing softly at the flame. Notice how it moves, steady yet alive. Observe the color difference between the base and the tip. A deep orange below and a bright golden glow above. Let your gaze rest gently on the flame. Don't strain, just observe. Now close your eyes. Can you remember how the candle looked like? See the after image and focus your attention on it. If thoughts arise, don't resist them. Allow them to pass like clouds drifting across the sky. Then return your awareness to the after image of the candle. If the image fades or becomes unclear, open your eyes and look at the flame again. Rest your gaze on the candle flame. Close your eyes and recall the final image. Let your attention settle on the after image. If it fades, open your eyes and look again. Gently look at the flame. Close your eyes and remember its glow. If thoughts appear, allow them, then return to the after image. If the after image disappears, open your eyes and reconnect with the flame. Rest your gaze on the candle once more. Close your eyes and hold the image in stillness. Feel the quiet focus deepening with every breath. If the image fades, open your eyes and look again. Focus on the flame. Close your eyes and sense the warmth it leaves in your vision. Let your mind be calm, unhurried, and bright. If the image grows dim, open your eyes and return to the flame. Rest your gaze once more upon the candle flame. Close your eyes and hold its final image. Let go of every thought. Just awareness, just light. If the image fades, gently open your eyes and reconnect with the flame. Now take one last look at the flame. Notice its stillness, its grace. Let your awareness become like the flame itself, calm, unwavering, and pure. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. This concludes your Fire Kasina meditation. May your mind remain bright and still, like the flame that never wavers. I wish you joy and growth.